The NDP says the situation is dire. It's calling on the Ford government to declare homelessness a humanitarian disaster in Ontario and is asking for a solution in this week's provincial budget. Sean Cowan joined us earlier tonight with more.
Taz, I'm here on Ray and King Street in downtown Hamilton, and just to give you an idea of what the need is like here in Hamilton, this apartment building behind me here is affordable housing by Good Shepherd, and right now I'm told that there is a 5-year wait to get in, and this is just one example. The skyline in Hamilton is changing, with new condos and cranes in the ground, but some say that's still not enough to fix the housing crisis.
The amount of people who are without safe shelter is astonishing, and people who are struggling to hang on to the housing they do have is increasing every day.
And that's just one of the reasons why the NDP is asking the Ford government to declare homelessness a humanitarian disaster in Ontario.
The provincial government must do more, significantly more, to address the housing crisis in Ontario. We are looking for solutions from them.
Wong-Tam says around 16,000 people in Ontario are homeless on any given night. And because shelters are full, many are staying with family and friends. But temporary shelters aren't the solution. According to the YMCA of Hamilton-Burlington, people need a permanent place to call home.
We know the importance of having the roof over someone's head and be able to have stable housing allows you a greater success rate. And right now there's not enough of it in the city. At the YMCA we've got hundreds on a wait list, and so we could probably fill our residents a couple times over with the demand that's there.
Budget day in Ontario is Thursday, and Wong-Tam says she wants to see an action plan.
Budgets show us what a government truly values and what they see as their priorities. We call on the Ford government to show us the money for real affordable housing in the budget.
Future generations are being impacted by current conditions, that people's lives are at risk, certainly their dignity is at risk, and that we need to respond with an urgency that I yet to see.
And both the YMCA and the Good Shepherd say that even though we are facing a housing crisis here in Ontario, we're also facing an addiction crisis and a mental health crisis, and oftentimes they do go hand in hand. So they say having support for all three is crucial.